Hello everyone. Today we will learn the seventh grammatical lesson, that is kinds of preposition. What is meant by preposition? We had learned about the parts of speech, that is the preposition is the sixth part of the speeches. First is noun, then second pronoun, third verb, adjective, fourth verb, fifth adverb, sixth preposition, and seventh conjunction, and interjection is last. So we will learn in future conjunction and interjection, but today we are going to learn about preposition. What is meant by preposition? Preposition means those words who join two words between these words. Okay, ये जो words होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं? Prepositions word जो होते हैं वो दो words को या फिर दो sentence को join करने का काम करते हैं और उसी को हम बोलते हैं preposition. So today we will learn about kinds of preposition. Prepositions के कितने types है और कैसे है वो हम learn करने वाले हैं. So there are three main kinds of prepositions. How many types of prepositions? Three kinds of prepositions. So first, prepositions of time. Second, prepositions of moment. Third, prepositions of place. These three types we will learn today. So first we will learn prepositions of time. In these prepositions words we will see on, at, and in. These three words mostly we used when we are going to making any of the sentences. That time we use these on, at, and in, these words. Okay, so this is called preposition of time because on, at, and in, these words shows the time of that sentence. So how? ऑन ये जो वर्ड है वो हम कब यूज़ करते हैं? जब डेज, संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे होते हैं, वो डेज का यूज़ उस सेंटेंस में आता है. देन 10th of June, इस तरह से डेट के साथ साथ उस मंथ का नाम आता है. देन द डे ऑफ क्रिसमस, इट मीन्स फेस्टिवल्स के नेम आते हैं. इस टाइप के जो भी वर्ड्स सेंटेंस में आते हैं तो उस टाइम हम ऑन इस प्रीपोजिशन का यूज़ करते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो लेट अस सी द एट. व्हेन डू वी यूज दिस एट प्रीपोजिशन? When we see in the sentence 8 o'clock, this type of timing, then night, midnight, midday, Christmas, in this way we will see the timing of that sentence. So that time we use at preposition. Next, in preposition. In the morning, in evening, in June, or in 2005, in summer days, winter days, in this way we see this type of sentence in this type of words in the sentence. That time we use in preposition. Okay, so in this way on, at, and in, these prepositions show the time of that sentence. So it is called prepositions of time. So let us see the second point, prepositions of movement. How do we see that? How do we identify that movement of that sentence? So we can use that time round, up, down, from, to, into, or out of. In this way we use these prepositions for movement. सो राउंड के लिए हम कौन से वर्ड यूज़ कर सकते हैं या फिर कौन से वर्ड होते हैं सेंटेंस में जिसके लिए हमें राउंड प्रीपोजिशन का यूज़ करना पड़ता है? सो द ट्री, द कॉर्नर. इन दिस वे if we see the sentence, if we see this type of words in the sentence, that time we use round preposition. Then up and down, this preposition when do we use? When we will see in the sentence the hill, tree, ladder, this type of words, that time we use up and down preposition. Next, from and to. When we will see in the sentence the school, market, home, this type of places names, that time we use from or to prepositions for making these sentences. Then into or out of, the well, water, classroom, this type of words we will see in the sentence. That time we use into or out of prepositions for that sentence. Let us see the third point, prepositions of place. तो ये prepositions of place, इसके लिए हम कौन कौन से prepositions यूज़ करते हैं? तो on, at, in, under, behind, in front of, between, and among. This type of words we will use in our prepositions of place. So let us see when do we use these prepositions. On prepositions we use when we see the wall, table, floor, roof, this type of words in the sentence. Next, at prepositions do we use that when we see this type of words in the sentence. Which type of? Work, home, school, office, bus stand. These type of words when we see in the sentence, that time at preposition we can use. then in, the box, bathroom, garden, classroom. This type of words we use in preposition. Under, the bed, table, bridge, tree. This type of words we can use under preposition. Then behind, the tree, door, sofa, curtain. For these type of words we can use behind preposition. In front of, the school, our house, fire, any of the person's name. That time we use in front of prepositions. Between two boys, John and Jane, brother and sister. This type of two, any of the things or peoples. That time we can use between preposition. And among, many girls, the people, the students, the boys. Among them many girls, मतलब जब हम बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स देखते हैं, बहुत सारी गर्ल्स देखते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखते हैं, तो उनके अंदर कुछ शो ऑफ करना है तो हम among ये प्रेपोजिशन का यूज़ करते हैं. इस तरह से जो काइंड्स ऑफ प्रेपोजिशंस है, प्रेपोजिशन ऑफ टाइम, प्रेपोजिशंस ऑफ मोमेंट, प्रेपोजिशंस ऑफ प्लेस, ये सारे प्रेपोजिशंस मीन्स ऑन, एट, इन, राउंड, अप, डाउन, फ्रॉम, टू, इनटू, आउट ऑफ, ऑन, एट, इन, अंडर, बिहाइंड, in front of, between, among. These all prepositions we used in our sentences for making their sense complete. Okay, so we will learn that when do we use these all prepositions. So let us see on the next page now. Oh, here you have given exercise, so we will solve it. Put in, on, at before each time or expression. हमें क्या करना है यहाँ पे अभी? in, ऑन और एट, ये तीनों में से कौन से प्रेपोजिशंस हमें यहाँ पे यूज़ करने होंगे वो हमें देख के कंप्लीट करना है. सो 8:15 ये जो टाइम बताता है तो टाइम के लिए हम एट का यूज़ करते हैं. नाइट ये भी टाइम है इसलिए एट का यूज़ करते हैं. 2005 ये भी साल है, ईयर है, तो ईयर शो ऑफ करने के लिए इन प्रेपोजिशन का यूज़ करते हैं. मार्च ये है मंथ, सो मंथ के लिए इन प्रेपोजिशन का यूज़ करते हैं. देन मिड डे, दिस इज ऑल्सो टाइम, सो वी यूज एट प्रेपोजिशन. Monday, so this is a days, for this we use on preposition. January, this is also month, so we use in. Summer, this is also season, then we use in. Same like this. Midnight, at midnight. 10 o'clock, at 10 o'clock. The morning, in the morning. My birthday, at my birthday. Friday night, on Friday night. New Year's Day, on New Year's Day. Monday morning, on Monday morning. The day of Diwali, at the day of Diwali. In this way, at, on or in, these prepositions we used for among of these all those specially names. Okay, so let us see the question number 2. Match the prepositions with the pictures. यहाँ पे जो भी पिक्चर्स दिए हैं तो उसके जो नंबर्स है वो नंबर को आपको यहाँ पे जो आपको प्रेपोजिशंस दिए हैं तो उसके आगे आपको उस नंबर को मैच करना है. सो राइट द करेक्ट नंबर अगेंस्ट ईच प्रेपोजिशन. यू हैव टू राइट करेक्ट नंबर ऑफ दिस प्रेपोजिशंस. So you should check out these all pictures and you should select these numbers for its correct preposition. Then use the prepositions in sentences of your own. अभी ये जब आप कंप्लीट करोगे तो इसके जैसा सेम आप इस टेबल का सपोज कोई भी पिक्चर है, उस पिक्चर को आपने इस प्रेपोजिशंस को मैच किया तो उसके हिसाब से आपको एक सेंटेंस बनाना है. आपको अपने अपने माइंड से आपको इसमें कुछ सेंटेंस बनाने हैं, रेडी करने हैं. Okay students, hopes you understand today's lesson and this is also our last lesson. So kinds of prepositions we will learn today and after this video we will learn the second semester of our syllabus. So first semester all the grammatical part we have completed. So in our next video we will learn the second semester. Okay students, thank you.